This is not the ideal time to be talking, but hi.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body rude is gun polite. Don't be in the humble side. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Posing who just left to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy.
I'm so late. Okay, not so late, but I will be late. I'm going to work right now. It's Saturday, the 20 something. I don't know. Guys, delayed. But anywho, yeah, so decided to vlog. And yeah, so today I'm vlogging. I'll take you guys to work with me, and hope I'm not taking you to work with me, but I'll be showing you guys snippets. Yeah, and then what else? Yeah, and then you guys will see like later on the day what I do and shit. But yeah, I feel like today I'm having like the worst day ever, because what do you mean? I woke up late. Like, okay, I'm not like late. I knew what I was doing.
Ain't a glass the way you see through me. You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. Nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving. Still getting good at not leaving. All the time you even I'm scared. Learning to be grateful for myself. Oh, way that you love me. Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me. The way that you trust me. Cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I couldn't believe it, see it for myself. I'm being patient, but now I'm really falling.
So my station is all set up, and yeah, there's load shedding, I think. So I'll be here for the next 4 or 5 hours just standing, because there isn't much to do. People want samples and I don't have samples, and they don't want to take the pamphlets. It's just a lot. So I'll be just standing here for 5 hours, something like that. But I'm leaving at 2. It's currently 9:25. So yeah, and then afterwards I'm going back to res, get ready, get dressed and stuff, and then I leave with my friends. So siyahamba siyebishi. Yeah, but I can.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Here to see him, Mabin. Still all black.
Frozen, slowly, on me right. I won't keep you waiting. My bag is faded. My eyes deceive me, won't let them straight through them. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, for all of my pretty, none of my ugly
Yeah, okay, babies. Hi, loves. We made it. Guys, in an auntie. Guys, so we made it to a Camps Bay beach. Yeah, we do. Hi. Yes, born at school. I think they are born. Oh, they are born. Chambers.
I think 5. And she 5. Yeah, she should be 5.
Oh, yeah, it's fun.
I mean, yeah, she said 5.
I'm in Coca Pamba. It's fun. So, Pumza. Hello. How choma? Bekudansala namplenya. Guys, ngilingeka kusho ngalo. Guys, yabona. Guys, I have a friend. Ufana usis kimi. Ngiyantshela. Thula lo room zabanje. That time ngimncinci ke kuyi. But I didn't sis. But it's fine. Umdala ngamphumzela. Ngoka June phumzela ngathi ka December. Yes, it's a fishy. Look at the okay, I know. And Bonnie, the life of content creators. Guess sana lwam. Siphatana ne power banks because
Push P. Yeah, push a P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Now she got a cost back. Please. Drop the data, now we black. Inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. I'm capital P, I write the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep the P. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, piece of pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Pop a P, I'm paranoid.
Okay, Sana, the lighting is a bit sketchy. Hi, Ndon, Kwafot. Oh, it connected. Yeah, ne. So, Sibuyi, say hi.
We're back.
And the tank out. But how can the bomb? The lap bag. Yo. Ndim
Hayibo into uwayisala soze sikwazi ukuchopha amaqala sizazi kwakhona itafini makamele etafini masihlali
anywho chef yethu ayimbi Ntonton lighting made us food, so we're gonna eat. Babu right so chatting. They are trying to sit. Yeah.
That's for me spoil.
Indo. I can't stand ubuzile uba ufuna ephi ngomona wathi nyusa wathi bengazi ewe sahleka loo nto wathi uyithetha singakuva thina sihleka loo nto
asivanga because we were excited for
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body with a scump like